and it's time for some airplane therapy. All right, it's about 9 o'clock and I'm heading home, but before I get home, I'm gonna do some airplane therapy, and I'm gonna head out to the airport. So really what I'm trying to do is get a little redemption from the last couple landings I had. I had some crosswind landings that were not that pretty, and then also one I had caught a gust and didn't respond properly, so I took power out when I should have left the power in, at least maybe even added a little power. So no wind tonight. We had some storms come through today, and the weather hasn't been that great the last 3 days for flying. So this is our first break, no wind and VFR conditions. So there's a pretty thing, windsock that's dead still. And sunset. Hard to beat that. All right. Beautiful evening. Storms are gone. Beautiful sunset. Time to go fly.
Automated weather update 0, 1, 3, 4, Zulu, weather 2, 6, 0, at 3, visibility 7, feeling 2,000, broken temperature 2, 1, Celsius 2.2, 0. Alrighty. Nose setup is complete. Y'all ready? Go and take that. Country traffic 20 Mike Sierra is departing runway 21, stand pattern, country traffic. Oh yeah, beautiful night. Touch my trim. I just like my trim right there at night. It's my takeoff trim setting. I can see my sight picture really well. So I think I'm going to leave that trim just like that. With 20 degree flaps, it is something I have to get used to, because I have to have a little bit of back pressure. I need to add some weight to the tail, because if I trim it where I don't have to do any back pressure, then my sight picture looks completely different, because my whole tail adjusts with my trim. So it really changes the whole pitch when I'm doing my roundout. So I learned that the hard way. It took a long time to figure that out. Numbers. There, it's good. A little bit of fly pattern. Whatnot. Flats. landings, no wind. Now the key is I got to get my crosswind landings down, or gust.
All right, it's time to put her away. That was a good night, nice night to get out there and do some practice landings. I always like being here when the night lights are on like that. Looks beautiful, especially from the air. Yep, if you guys want to fly, you just have to do it. That's unexplainable, the joy that comes with it and the satisfaction that comes with it. So if you're wanting to do it, get out there and do it and get busy. So life is short and you only live once, so you better hurry up and get it done. I just finished up my night currency again, and it was a beautiful night. No wind, I'm out of breath because pulling that airplane in is a real chore sometimes. I need to go get a best hug from Mike Patey. But I just want to mention, I had the prop rebalanced about 3 or 4 days ago, and unbelievable difference in the aircraft, unbelievable. So when I first went up, I kind of forgot I did it because I went up a couple days after that, and I was climbing out, and it was so smooth. I'm used to that vibration in the yoke, thinking that's power, you know, and it was so smooth that I actually started looking around thinking, what's wrong? What am I missing here? I was wondering, I was checking oil pressure and everything like that, thinking something's wrong because I'm not producing enough power, but the climb rate was good, everything was good. And then it dawned on me, you're not vibrating like you used to. So if you haven't done your prop, if you haven't had your prop rebalanced or harmonically balanced, I would definitely recommend doing it. Very good investment, and as we all know, vibration is the nemesis of all your maintenance problems. So anyways, just word to the wise, it's a great investment. Preventive maintenance is a big deal. So